Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the on-time and target play of the day. We have 5 seconds to the market open. We have two longs and a short. Here is the market open. So this is the overall 1 minute on the S&P 500. Obviously, things are going into the green. SNGX is a first long we're going to take a look at. Careful of the small price point. You're going to need to use a 3 or 4 cent stop here if you hop in on this. And that's pretty tricky to do. Microvision is a long. We like that it's selling off here. We're looking at probably a 25-cent stop. I'm not ready to just snag it right here out of the gate, even though it's kind of right at that point. So 22.35, 22.60 would be the entry. Yikes. I'm not being a little too hard to stab at it right here. Sorry for the chart jumping around. It'd be better if it came into this 22.5 level and hung out for at least a minute before we turn around and take this higher. All right, and then our short of the day is this fuel cell. It is backing up here because of the the short covering. So it gets up, if it would hang up here in this range a little bit higher than where it is right now, you'd want to get up to about 10.30 or so and then turn around and take it short with about a 10-cent stop. All right, of these, I like Microvision the best. So 20.30, 22.30 is the low. So we're looking at 22.50 going back high to cover the low of the day with a 20-cent stop. Okay, there's a new low, so that number, those numbers are off. 22.10, so we'd have to go 22.35 just to the upside. 22.35 will be the entry, and this is long in Microvision. Okay, there it was. It just hit. So 22.35, you're covering all the way down here to 22.10. So we had the selling off that we wanted. So that is your stop. We're going long. So here's your arrow. Realizing with that 20-cent stop, it's pretty nice, right? So we can go from 22.35 to 55 is our first R. And then 75 second R. And 95 is your third R. So literally it was there, 6 minutes ago, it was up at this level. So really like the entry on this trade. And I think it's actually going to hit probably while we're talking about it, to be honest. So again, entered here at 22.35 and then exit at 22.95 is what, there it is. So there's our 22.95 trade, 3R and going higher. I wouldn't keep any of this. I would call it good. But that's about as fast as you can be in and out of a trade. So to recap, we opened here at 22.80 and basically we followed it down. We were going to take it here. We didn't. We waited for it to go down even further. We waited for minute 2, went all the way down. Once it established this 22.15 low point, we said, okay, 22.10, and then a 25-cent. Well, my math was a little bit off on the R's, but it still hit that 3R point either way, because I used, it was actually 25-cent stop, even though I was saying 20. But either way, it shattered that. So you're back out if you did math better than me. But covered all the way down here to about the 22.10 point, took it on the way back up, which is an aggressive entry, and then you see how fast it can go up. So that's it for the trade of the day.